Exploring idioms on two wheels. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our channel, the hub for boosting your English skills. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, focusing on two wheels. This expression has more to it than meets the eye, so stay tuned as we unpack its meaning and usage. Let's get rolling. Before we delve into the idiomatic sense, let's start with the basics. On two wheels literally refers to anything that is or can be on two wheels, like a bicycle or motorcycle. It's that simple. When something is moving on two wheels, it's rolling along on a pair of wheels. Think bikes zipping down a lane or motorcycles cruising on the highway. Now, let's shift gears to the idiomatic usage. On two wheels can also describe a situation where something is done hastily or just in the nick of time. It paints a picture of rushing and speed, much like a biker speeding to a destination. If someone does something on two wheels, they're doing it very quickly, often at the last possible moment. To get a real feel for the phrase, let's see it in action. I finished the project on two wheels, just 10 minutes before the deadline. She always lives life on two wheels, waiting until the last second to do her tasks. Notice how the phrase adds a touch of drama and urgency to the sentences? When using this phrase, it's important to consider the context. It's informal, so it's perfect for casual conversations but might not be suitable for formal writing. Also, make sure the sense of urgency or haste is clear to your listener or reader. And that's a wrap on two wheels. Whether it's literally riding a bike or metaphorically racing against time, this phrase is sure to add some zest to your English expressions. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll cruise through your English learning journey with ease. Keep practicing, and you'll be using English idioms like a pro in no time.